Everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. It's been a few weeks since we've seen each other. We had a nice vacation, but I think somebody's allergic to vacations. Honey, are you allergic to vacations?
I don't think I'm allergic.
Well, how come is every time we go on vacation something happens to you?
Not every time, just sometimes.
Did you want to tell them what ails you? So what ails you, Terry?
We did 4 Disney parks in 3 days. That's what happened.
But that was only 27.5 miles of walking.
Well, that's a lot.
I know it's a lot.
And then that first night there, I ate like I don't usually eat, and my intestines are screaming, and I have...
Yeah, because her intestines were screaming because she's, over the course of the last year, she's lost 33 pounds and has been very regimented on everything she eats.
I ate too much fiber.
Right. So when we got to Disney the first night, it was all hell break loose, right? It was just basically, Terry had, what was that? You had a martini, extra dirty.
And like Jesse said, that was like dropping a bomb on my intestines.
Right. And then you had, what was it, the cheesy gnocchi or something like that it was?
Yeah.
So, but either way,
I'm paying for it.
Yeah, you're paying for it. And, but we had a good trip. It was a lot of walking, but it's just, Terry was very restricted on everything she did, after that, because it was the...
We'll show some clips.
Yeah, we'll show some clips of everything was going on, but, it was still enjoyable, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Welcome to Fantasy Island.
Yeah, that's the wrong place.
Oh, isn't this nice?
Yeah.
This is crazy good. Everybody, welcome to Ridgway World. I'm Jeff, and this is Terry, and we're in, I guess, the happy place in the world?
The magical place.
The magical place, Disney World.
And look what it says on there.
Yep.
Welcome, Ridgway family.
And as I guess you can see, we're in the Boardwalk Inn, which is all taken from the early 1900s, Atlantic City and their boardwalk. So it's kind of amazing. We just got here, so we haven't been able to investigate and check things out. Oh boy. 28 days sober, I can sit here and drink a beer. Isn't that nice? With the steps going up, all winding. That looks great. Not a lot of people here either, especially for a Sunday. I would think it'd be packed.
Yeah, did you see the pictures on the wall?
I haven't really had a chance to check things out
And look
yet.
how high the
Oh yeah.
headboards are. Yeah, they got Mickey and Minnie and Pluto.
Right, and then check out the cabinets there. The way they have it almost look at the old steamer style. What do you think of the bathroom?
And these are
That's
cool.
what I see. They're almost like the steamship style. Look. Beautiful bathroom.
Aww.
Look. Oh, nice little separate spots for shower and shower.
Nice.
But it was beautiful. Good choice, hon.
And where do you think that door leads to?
I have no idea. Well, I do know, but I guess that's part of the mystery, isn't it? Did you want to announce who's on the other side or not? We're going to leave it for the suspense of the whole thing. Okay, we'll leave it for the suspense. Who's on the other side of the door? Dun da da da.
We were gonna go have a drink.
What are you doing there?
Lots of football, dude.
Did you follow us here?
We did.
Did you get out here?
I did.
You ready? Huh?
Did you get a picture? Or...
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay, cool. Perfect. I'm ready. Starving,
Are you ready? We're going out to dinner.
parched.
We were waiting for Jeff. He's finally ready.
No, I've been laying there waiting. There isn't much to do to this.
Look at his bright sneakers.
Yep.
I heard people comment on when we walked in.
Yeah. Well, I had.
Did you really?
Yeah, they were like, "Look at this stupid."
I had red psychedelic pants on too. So, but I changed the shorts since we're in Florida.
Oh, you're wearing shorts.
Yeah. Why not?
Because it's the low is in the 40s, isn't
Alright.
it, tonight?
Not tonight. Tonight it's supposed to be high of
I think so.
71 and low of 56. I thought for here.
All right, let's go, Ridgway.
I'm ready. this in life, huh? Doesn't it make you want to just move here?
No,
Picnic is perfect. It's like boat races.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Let it go, let it go. Let it go, hon.
What?
Let it go. Why are you film me when I sing?
We're going to go see the fireworks, right?
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't want you to film me doing Let It Go. Since we just did the Frozen
You
tour
knew I had the
live.
camera.
I know. I'm a glutton for showing off.
Look at this outfit.
What?
Huh? I'm showing them your colors here.
I don't care. What if, you know, if I'm lost, wouldn't you like to be able to see me? That's what you got. You'd be able to see me.
Mm-hmm.
So, what are you expecting from, you gonna cry from the fireworks?
No,
Why?
because it's not at the castle.
It doesn't matter. What if it's Epcot? It doesn't matter. So here we go. Here's where we stayed. This is the Boardwalk Inn as our week comes to an end. The dance hall that Terry never made it to. And the Jelly Roll, which I think was a discotheque style. Hon, what did Jelly Roll, a discotheque or something?
It's doing pianos.
Oh, doing bananas.
Pianos.
Oh, pianos. So no, it was a beautiful stay here. Every good thing has to come to an end. But rating the Boardwalk Inn, I give it like a 8 out of 10. There could have been a couple more bars in there, but it was all good. What'd you rate it out? You ladies, what do you think? Boardwalk?
I give it a 9.
9, Diana?
Give it a 9 too.
9? I went 8 only because of the bar, and I think I said something about that. But they had an ice cream parlor here. They had a few restaurants were excellent, so I think we had a, you know, all in all, 9 out of 10 rating for the whole kit and caboodle. All the parks, everything was great. So, no, I think it was a great time. We appreciate it. We're very lucky. Hey, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the festivities at Walt Disney World. We really did have a great time. I'm just not the Disney fanatic type. I enjoyed it, but you know, Disney's always good for me if I'm 1,700 miles away in New Jersey. That's my honest opinion. It's a lot of people packed in a smaller area, and I get claustrophobic type feelings when I'm around that many people. But we did have fun. We walked a lot, and good food. We had a lot of good food. We stayed at the, what was it, the Boardwalk Inn?
We.
We.
You.
Right. But you had fun. It's just, I'm just not a fanatic as you've become.
I had a good time.
Right. And now look at
But
you.
it could have been better.
She's doing this for the camera.
No, she really does this. This isn't just for the camera. This is your mother's the way it's been for the last, week?
11 days.
11 days she's been like this. She gets up for like 10 minutes and then she'll lay on the couch for 2 hours with an ice pack on her hip. And what have you been eating, huh? What have you ate the last 3 days? How much spaghetti?
A pound of pasta.
A pound of pasta because that's like a neutral thing for her gut. So
A pound?
In 3 days.
16 ounces of pasta?
In 3 days.
yeah, with a regular 16 ouncer, not the cheap ones that
think
some
that's
people with a
bad?
14
That's
and
a
a
lot of
half.
calories right there.
I went on vacation and lost. I left, I weighed 120. I got home, I weighed 114.
And she couldn't poop, right?
Interesting.
You didn't poop till the last day.
And you couldn't eat anything, I guess?
I had like bread. I ate a little
Yeah,
bit
she was a
bread.
sourdough bread queen there too, so everything she
I
had
ate
was...
the insides of a hard pretzel.
Yeah, we're at fine restaurants and your mom
Just
sitting there picking...
insides.
Yeah, she would eat the inside of pretzels too. But we were at nice restaurants and she would sit there picking at the bread and a pretzel, or she asked for the kids' meal.
See, it's the most magical place on earth for a reason. You went there,
Yeah.
you ate whatever you wanted, but I guess was just soft pretzel insides, and you lost weight.
But
That's magic.
It wasn't
Yeah.
magical for her intestinal tract, was it, hon?
It still isn't.
What?
It still isn't.
Oh, okay. You'll get better. Disney kicked your butt. You know, and that's the sad part. But we got a doctor's appointment coming up, tomorrow. And then we'll you come up with a plan on how we can remedy this so you can get back on your feet and back to your normal self. All right?
Yeah, can't wait. Oh, we have gotten fan mail. So over the past month, we've gotten several letters from Levi. Thank you, Levi. We
Yes,
both
thanks,
read
Levi.
them. We've gotten them from Eduardo.
Yep.
Thank you, Eduardo. And your drawing of Bugs Bunny.
Oh, that was great. I did.
spot
Yeah, I
on.
enjoyed that, Eduardo.
And Tanner from Canada wrote us a nice letter, and they actually asked you a question.
Oh, okay.
I left it on the counter.
Okay.
Are you gonna look at that?
Yep.
And Sarah, thank you so much for the Valentine's card and all your precious pets. And we appreciate the nice letter that you wrote to us.
Right. Heart. Or is that a
Is that
squash
is that
tomato?
pretty heart?
That's a pretty heart. Yeah, that's good. So, what was the question? Do you know?
I don't remember. I opened them a couple days ago.
Oh, okay. Dear Jeff and Terry, fan from Canada. And the question for me is, the question for you is, how's retirement going, and did you get any more things for your gnome garden?
I got more at the end of the year. I'm going to get more this year.
Woohoo! Yeah, because it's still dark and gloomy out here in New Jersey.
It is nice, even though I'm retired from A&J Canvas, but I still do my other stuff. So.
Right. And my question is, did you end up building anything behind the garage since you cleared the spot, and how's the storm room going? Well, I did do a lot of work behind there. I took the big stump out behind the garage and graded a lot of stuff up, but I don't want to put that out there too much because those are certain things you don't want people to see, and I don't want to give away any trade secrets or what we hide in our backyard. And the basement, I'm about halfway done with that room. I ran into a little electrical issue with lighting, so I got half of that completed. So there'll be more to follow with that, but I appreciate Tanner, I appreciate the questions. And wasn't there a card here you said?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, here it is.
Sarah. It's a Valentine's card.
Right. Sarah, very nice. Thank you so much. And then there's the picture of Johnny from 2015, which is very nice too.
And Hon,
What?
I neglected to say, I have trouble sitting, and that's why I have a lot of pain. So that's why I haven't been able to do much editing. But I'm going to try to edit this week. I can't say for sure when it'll come out. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Valentine's Day.
Yep.
If this comes out beforehand, if not, I hope it was a happy Valentine's Day.
They understand. So, and that's not beer Terry's drinking, that's apple juice on there. So, right?
Yeah.
All right. We appreciate you, and hopefully everybody has a great day and a good life. Go Chiefs.